Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use goal seek in LibreOffice Calc. So for example, we have here number of projects assigned to each person. So first let's calculate average number of projects. So we need to type here equal, then we type average. So I will do it now. Now I open the bracket, I set the range, I close the bracket and I press enter. Okay, so it is our average value. So for example, if we would like to have our average increased, for example, to 40, we can use goal seek to achieve this goal. So we need to go to tools and we need to go to goal seek. So here we need to select formula cell. So I click on shrink and I select here average. After that, I click on expand and I need to select target value that we want to achieve. So we would like to increase average maybe to 40. And now I need to select variable cell that I want to edit. How you see, Mark has only 0 projects, so we would like to edit number of projects of Mark. So I click on this one icon to shrink it and I select this one cell. Now I click expand and I click OK. How you see, we have here results. Goal seek succeed, result 30. Insert the result into the variable cell. If you are sure that you want to do it, you need to click yes. And how you see, number of projects has been successfully increased to 30 and average has achieved the goal because we have here 40. So in this way you can easily use goal seek in LibreOffice Calc. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.